Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Realme GT6. You have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on data and privacy, then scroll down and click on delete your Google account. Now scroll down again and click continue. Here you have to enter your screen lock passkey. Now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes, then click delete account. Then click agree and continue. And now your account should be removed. So now let's open Google Play Store and click sign in. Here you have to enter your email address. Then click next, and as you can see my account is deleted, so now let's click next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. And now you have to scroll down and click I agree. Then scroll down again and click accept. And as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.